Coming up. Come on, let's go play.
Hey!
I don't want to go to jail. Let me out. Just look it. Please help me. What is it? Yeah? What is it? Why? There's some eggs. Oh, okay. Stay there. I'll be right back.
Tied up, so let's untie you. Alrighty.
Yay! I'm free.
Coming up. A lawnmower, a banana phone. Come on, let's go play.
Hey, that is mine. Oh, no, it's mine.
Okay, give it back.
I want it.
You guys are fighting too much. You need to go outside. You need to go out now.
Dad fell in the pool and said I'm a banana.
Hi. Yep. I need something really, really scary. Really scary.
Daddy, not
Hello, man. Playtime. Can you get me something scarier, please?
Really, really scary.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Let's play a trick on Dad. Yeah. Can I play buy a puzzle so we can play tricks on our dad? Like really, really scary. The scariest thing in the entire university.
Come on, let's go play.
I need a lawnmower. That's big blanket. 1, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
What?
What's over there? Where did they come from? One, two, three,
BLiPPi, let's go and get some rubbish. Yay, we did it. There's a tarantula right there. It nearly bit you guys.
Where is it? I can't see anything.
Just go a little bit further. Please.
What, a little bit further? What?
We need a lawnmower to go out so we can see the spider more. Let's get the lawnmowers. Daddy, have you safety? Can you hit that subscriber on it so it can get to 100 subscribers? What is this, guys? Look at this. This is a play button. All because of you guys. It's because of you guys. You helped us subscribe. Thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing. It's because so we can get this, and it's a big celebration for our whole family. Thank you.
Coming up, a lawnmower, an ambulance, a rescue helicopter, a firefighter, and a BLiPPi dog. Come on, let's go play.
Dress up, Mimi! I'm a fly top, and my dog is Dog BLiPPi.
Dog BLiPPi!
Ready, steady.
Whoa!
This is so good. It's a car, a lawnmower, and a big lawnmower, and lawnmower stuff. Wow, it's a double layer. A trailer lawnmower, blow like this, and a helmet, and a weed eater, and a sensor, and a tire to put all the stuff in and travel around the world. So easy. A chainsaw, it cuts trees like this. Off we go.
Oh, we got my head.
Oh, I think I know.
Oh, wow.
Big five. Is it a side loader? Oh, look, it's exactly the same. Turn on over and take it. Is that what else? It's 90 filters. Have you had a headlock?
Wow, look at this crap.
Look what's in the back.
Pull it out. There we go. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Oh no! Maybe go up again. Oh.
There is for this thing.
We'll take it up.
What are we going to do with all this mess now, Mr. Hamish?
I'm gonna make it something. This has gone on this field.
Do you take them off? Look at this stuff.
He actually ate it.
She ate it.
Hey, Bernie, come beep, 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 beep.
Hello?
Hello, we found a giant mess, so can you clean it up, please?
Okay, that sounds good. I'll be over in 5 minutes.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Money. Thank you.
Lucky I've got my tractor because I can clean it all up.
There you go. Oh.
This is how you got open all the stuff. Hey guys, you're just being crazy. I'm always crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm wonky, 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 wonky. So crazy. You can call the ambulance if you're hurt.
Hey, look at this guy.
Doors at the hospital.
We should keep jumping and maybe another present will come down, guys.
I'm definitely not crazy doing this. So good, I'm not crazy. Take it, yep, that's it. That's it. See the one. Right, now it's helicopter. passenger comes back up and flies off. Lift that up. Let's get out. Let's mow the lawn. Let's go glasses, y'all. Oh no, I broke my leg. Oh, he broke his bone this time. It's so dangerous breaking bones.
We'll be right back.
We gotta go. Let's go. Alright, we gotta. Oh wait, no, the ambulance can't go back. We need the helicopter. I can see it. We better go down. Going down. We'll put it in. Wow! Let's cut down that. This button makes this turn, look.
What is it?
It's a lawnmower.
What does it
It sounds like fun, just to tell you guys. Let's open it, yeah! This.
Whoa. So cool, Hamish. Look what you got. A chainsaw.
And it's got an independent motor. If something falls on your head, just protect you.
Whoa.
No, I had to chop some. There's a whole stack of them. Look how much are there. Wow. There's so much. Look how much there are. There's millions. There's millions.
Ha ha ha!